Hello everyone. Today we shall look into data types in MSSQL. Let us start with the numerics, exact numerics. We have big int, small int, and tiny int. You could see that tiny int ranges from 0 to 255, and small int from 32,768, from negative to positive, and int ranges from 2 power 31 to 2 power 31 in the negative side. Here are the storage bytes which it could occupy using that data type. So these are like common data types with respect to numerics. uh, like moving forward, we have this decimal, which you could call it as float, or like you could say the decimal point number, numeric. These both decimal and numeric, it is used as synonym. In the first parameter we have the precision. Precision means it is the total numbers which are present in the decimal number. Like if it is 123.00, the total numbers are like 5. It is called as precision. And the scale is the number of digits which is after the decimal. The 00 is like there are 2 digits, so the scale is 2. The storage depends upon the precision, as it is shown in the like table which you could see. Maximum precision that could be possible to take is 38. By default it is 18. Moving ahead, we shall look into the data types of money and small money. We could see that ranges, it has very high range and also with high precision. Small money occupies 4 bytes of storage, and money occupies 8 bytes of storage. This is about money and small money. So far in the exact numerics we have this int data types, decimal and numeric, and exact numerics like of money and small money. Moving ahead, we have in the approximate numerics we have float and real data types. The n which is represented in float, it is number of bits in mantissa. Mantissa is nothing but the total precision, as I told you, in decimal or numeric data type. The real data type is nothing but float of 24 bits, or what I could say in mantissa. The storage depends on the value of n for float, and for real the storage size is of 4 bytes. And in float, the storage size depends upon the precision. If it is still 7 digits, it is 4 bytes. If it is like 15 digits, it would be 8 bytes. Moving ahead, we have date and time data types. We have the standard data types of time, which represents only the time, and in date we have only the date. In small date time we have both the date and time, and in date time we have the date time with more precision. In date time 2 is with even more precision. And daytime offset, it is offset from the UTC time zone. So these are the common data types which you could see, and this is the example output table where you could refer. Moving ahead, we have character strings. The character strings would be char n, varchar n, and text data types, where n is string in bytes, which could range from 1 to 8000. In text data type, it is variable length of non-Unicode data, which could range from 2 power 31 minus 1. And here we have Unicode character strings, where similarly nchar is the fixed data type and string data type, and nvarchar is the variable string data type. And end string data type, the size it varies in byte pairs, which ranges from 1 through 4000. And in text, similar to the text, the string length would range from 2 power 30 minus 1 bytes. We have binary strings, binary, var binary, and image data type, where the storage size of n bytes Similar to the character strings, it ranges from 1 to 8000. And in var binary, maximum indicates the storage size of 2 power 31 minus 1 bytes. These are the other data types where you could refer, which are the advanced data types in SQL, like cursor, row version, hierarchy ID, unique identifier, SQL variant, XML, spatial geometry and geography types, and table.